Why the hell is Booking.com taking you 15 to 18% commission and sometimes more if you're at the promotion? You feel like you are working for them instead of working with them. I get it, this question burns, especially if you compare to the modest 3 to 5% from Airbnb or even VRBO. But there is a reason for that fee, and whether you find it justified or not, that's another story. Booking.com is basically a traffic monster. They are not just a booking platform, they are a PPC, search machine, pay-per-click, where you can be seen if you, for example, do specific promotion or run ads, easier actually than on Google, because the market that come to search for hotel is already warm. They want to book hotel, so you have more chance to convert. And the 15 to 18% commission is basically the cost to be shown everywhere, because their marketing is extremely strong. You appear not only in Booking.com, as well in Google Ads, in their retargeting campaigns, so you can get way more chance to be booked with Booking.com than, for example, with Airbnb or VRBO. So this commission is basically you paying for extra visibility compared to other platforms or your own website, for example. So now, here is where the real frustrations kick in. Do they bring you the right kind of customer? Do they treat you fairly when you have a dispute? Do actually they give you enough control about how you appear to your customer, or you can write your description, or you organize your picture? Well, this is where the big stories happen with Booking.com and the main frustration with all the villa owners that I work with. Because most of the time with Booking.com, it appears to be like a one-side relationship. They charge you like a 5-star, but their, I would say, owner relationship is really budget motel. You often are left frustrated by the reply they give you, which is most of the time very standardized. You have a lot of time challenges to really explain yourself, and the challenges you are a certain customer to solve a dispute. So this creates a lot of frustration in owners and a lack of understanding. So yes, Booking.com commission is high, but it's baked into the way they run their empire. And if you want visibility, well, you have to play the game. But just don't forget to balance it with direct bookings where you can keep control. That's very important. Well, if you want some help with your Booking.com or Airbnb listing, just send me a message at getelitebookings.com and I will be more than happy to help you.